Art, what is the current state of the housing market? Do you feel it is a buyer's or seller's market? And how might it affect my decision as a home buyer?
What is the state of the real estate and mortgage market? Is it a buyer's market? Is it a seller's market? Well, let me tell you a few things to consider before answering the question. Mortgage rates, they're up. They were expected to go down after the Fed meeting in September. Didn't happen. Mortgage rates then were in the low to mid fives for conforming and FHA loans. Now we're in the mid to high sixes for conforming and just at around 6% for FHA. Inventory, it is going up a little bit. In my immediate market here in Palm Springs, inventory is at nearly a 4-month supply based on the sales rate. Home prices, they're still going up, but at a declining rate. So how does this affect a prospective home buyer? I think we are seeing a shift in the market to what was a seller's market to more of a neutral or even a little bit of a buyer's market. What this means for you, how it affects you as a prospective home buyer, is I think now you do have the opportunity in looking for a home to have some leverage in making your offer and getting some concessions from the seller. Now, the most obvious thing that buyers do is they just offer some number below list price. I argue don't do that. Consider offering at or near list price and instead get your concession dollars not in a lower price, but in a seller credit. Use those dollars to fund a buy down, either a 3-2-1 or a 2-1. This will give you a starting rate first year in the threes or fours, plus the fact you can get as part of that concession some money to pay your closing costs. So for a prospective home buyer, I think now is a good time to consider that strategy given the shift in the market that we have seen. You should not expect mortgage rates to get substantially lower anytime soon. Mortgage rates below 5% are not around the corner. We're going to stay at these higher levels for longer. Embrace it and then take advantage of the tools available to you as a buyer to get into home ownership now and use these temporary buy down strategies. That way, once you own the home, you can experience the appreciation that will occur when mortgage rates do eventually fall.